Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we will see how we can make our content center in three ways. The first is positioning method, second flexbox method, and the third is I think grid method. So without any further ado, let's begin. Okay, so अभी मैंने दो फाइल्स क्रिएट किए हैं. The first is index.html and the second is style.css. So अभी style.css is empty because if I go and refresh this, so you can see this is empty, and will be start doing in HTML index.html. So first I will be creating div with a class name of, let's give it a class name of parent so that we can like give it a name as we want to. So and again creating div and give it a class of child. Okay, so now save this. So first we will be creating our box with the name which we have child. So give it a width of 100 pixels, not 100 pixels, and give it a height of 100 pixels as well, and give it a background color of, let's say, a blue color. Save this and now go to the Chrome and then refresh. So now you can see this blue box is coming. Is there is a margin of something, so we'll be removing this uh, by the universal method. Just apply margin 0 because we don't want any margin initially, and padding should also be 0. So if I go and again refresh, so okay, the margin is gone. So right now I have a box with the class name of child. Now again I will be creating dot parent class and give it a width of 100% and give it a height of 100 view height, sorry. So now I have two things. The first is, now I have two things. First is you can see this div, and this we have second div is child. So this child is containing some width and height, and we can see visualize it by this box. And the parent is this whole web page, and we want this child to be appear at the center of this web page, right? So we have three ways to do it. The first is position method, the second we have is the flexbox method, and the third we have is grid method. So first we will be starting with the positioning method. So for using positioning method, just apply position absolute and give it from the top should be a 50%, so that it can take 50% from the top, and give it a 50% from the left so that it can take 50% from the left as well. And now give it a transform translate of minus 50%, minus 50%. This should be minus as well. So by writing these four lines of code, position absolute, top 50%, left 50%, and transform translate minus 50%. So I am again go to my browser. So as soon as I refresh this, so now you can see this box is appearing at the center. So this is how you can center your content with the use of positioning method. So after that we have second method, which is a flexbox method. So first I will be commenting it out. So for using flexbox method, we need to typing in the parent element. So in the parent element, just type display flex, and in the display flex just typing justify content at the center and align item at the center. Save this. So by writing these three lines, you can achieve your center goal. Display flex, justify content center, align item center. So if I again go to my browser and then refresh this, so now you can see again it is at the center. And to prove you, just commenting this out, saving this. Now again go to Chrome and then refresh. So now it is going with the traditional flow, which is starting from the left, right? Now if I uncommenting it, which is a flexbox method, if I go again to my Chrome and then refresh, so now this is the flexbox method to center any element in the web page. Now we have learned positioning and flexbox method. We have third method, which is a grid method. So now we will be seeing how grid method works. So now type display grid, and only you need to type one attribute as well. The first is display place item, not content. Place items, yes, it should be center, and then save. These two lines of code of grid, first is display grid, the second is place item center. you can achieve center goal. Okay, to prove it again to you, if I uncommenting it, save this. Now there is nothing there's there's not any property which is applying on it, so now it is at going with the flow. And अगर मैं इसको डिस्प्ले ग्रिड को अगर वापस अप्लाई करता हूँ, इसमें सेव करता हूँ and then again refresh मैं करता हूँ, तो you can see this coming at the center. So now you know about the 3 ways to center your content. The first you have is a position method, which is you can apply on the child, and the other 2 method, which is a flex box and the grid method, you need to apply on the parent element. So if you like this video, then give it a like button, and please subscribe bhi kar lena to get more videos just like this. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.